Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to clean up the filter for hybrid battery on the Toyota Crown AWS 210. This one is 2013 model, but I think from 2013 till 2018 they are on the same series. So if you have one of these ones, either an Athlete S or Crown Hybrid Royal Saloon or even the Majesta, this is what you need to do. Now let's get on with it and let's see what we need to do first. So on the rear doors, left and right, we need to remove one of these plastic trims so that we can remove this plastic trim on the right side. So this vent that looks here, you can see here the vent. This vent actually goes to the hybrid battery cooler. So the hybrid battery sucks the air from here and then uses a filter to clean that air and then puts that air on the hybrid battery cooling system. So yeah, just make sure that is not clogged. So what you need to do is you need to remove the panel, and then once sun comes out you will see a filter there that we need to remove and clean. I assume you can just pull it up like this. So there we go, this one comes out. Yep. Okay, so once you pull that from this side, this one is slided in, so make sure you kind of pull it upwards and then slide it out. So this is how the thing looks at the bottom. This is how it looks like from the bottom. My finger, so maybe just remove the rubber thing. Okay, just gonna remove the rubber for now, and then we'll see if it's easy to access. So it looks like it comes out like this. There's this clip here, make sure you remove that. Okay, this one comes out straight away. Yep, just make sure that's there. Now on this side, it's going to come out as well. So assuming this one comes like this. There we go. Comes out nice and easy. There we go. So there is a clip. So there is a clip here. So once you start pulling it out, this one comes out as well. Okay. So now remember, the way you took it out has to be put in the same way. This one goes on the side. Now this is where the actual filter is. As you can see, on this side, this is a filter. So I assume this one can come out straight away. Hold. So on this side there is a clip that has to be taken out that way. So I'm just going to use a pry tool or even a screwdriver to kind of take that thing out so that the clip kind of unlocks this place. Okay, so we have removed the clip. Now let's take out this one. Is this way. I hope this one comes out like that. There we go. Now this is where the filter is. Now see how it's all clogged up? We need to clean it up. It's not as bad, but I've seen worse on the internet and stuff. So yeah, make sure you clean on this side and the other side, on the other side as well. So once this is nice and clean, we will put this one back the same way that we took it out. Obviously this is gonna be a bit of a pain to put back because that thing clip is on the side. So that clip, that vent on this side of the car has to go back again. So yeah, just heads up, and then yeah, once it's all done, we'll put it back, and hopefully that'll be it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I hope this one helps to clean up your old hybrid system and also make sure it lasts longer than it should. Thank you very much. Have a good day.